Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of The Table by Chris Tomlin. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use ASL signs in order to worship God. Housekeeping before we get started on the bridge. I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the description, there's lots of helpful links for you there, and please consider subscribing to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. You'll find all the tutorials there as well. Okay, so the bridge. Oh, I know he has a place for me. Oh, what joy will fill my heart when the saints around the mercy seat of God, with the saints around the mercy seat of God. So we're going to learn that. And then also at the very end of the song, there's another variation of the verse that I forgot to teach you in the first video. So we're going to learn that today too. Okay, so we start with I know, I, or you can point to yourself and say I, and then know. Okay, that's multiple fingers here at your head. Think is just one finger, but to know something, multiple fingers. Okay, I know he, pointing to God in heaven, has a place. So P going around, okay, a place for, you don't have to do for, but it's either done one of those ways. For me, oh, what joy will fill my heart. Joy is like this, okay, joy. Joy, joy, and then fill, make a cup with your non-dominant hand and show the water level going up, okay? Fill my heart, okay? With the saints around the mercy seat, with, and then saints, it's holy person. So we do the sign for holy and then person. Holy person. Holy person around, so you're moving your dominant hand around your index finger on your non-dominant hand, around the mercy seat of God. So we're going to do mercy seat, which is mercy. So in this case, it's mercy coming from heaven to us. So we're signing it this way, okay? Mercy and then seat. Some people might just want to do throne, and then that's like, you know, king and the seat like that, but it's more complicated. So we're going to stick with mercy seat. Okay, mercy seat of God. Okay, we'll try that from the top before going on to that variation of the verse that we still need to learn. Okay, I know he has a place for me. Oh, what joy fills my heart with the saints around the mercy seat of God. Okay, let's try that one more time. I know he has a place for me. What joy will fill my heart with the saints around the mercy seat of God. Okay. And now let's learn that variation of the verse that happens at the very end. I'm invited to the table of the Lord. So you need to know invited, which is kind of like, come on, invited. I'm invited to the table of the Lord. I'm invited to the table of the Lord. He, pointing at God in heaven, says, come just as you are, just, so we're making a J, okay, just as, and then pointing, you are, and then to his table. Okay, so let's try that again. I'm invited to the table of the Lord. I'm invited to the table of the Lord. He says, come just as you are, to his table. Okay? So practice as many times as you need to. You'll have another day of practice tomorrow when we put all 3 of these videos together and run through the whole song top to bottom. Hope to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.